Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, Subject Maths. So, completed PT3, computer paper is over and finish your PT3, right now? So, happy? Fine. So, you have started to flying the kites, enjoying the Uttarayan. Fine. Enjoy it and just start your studies also. Okay, so we will in the previous video we have started our revision of algebra. Okay, so little bit revision is incomplete, so I will complete it and let's get move forward. Okay, so let's start. Fine. So I think we have up to exercise 11.4. In this 11.4 we have started to make the little bit equation. So I will take the example of B. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times breadth of the hall. Okay, I'm sorry. See here, uh, which is greater? Length is greater or breadth is greater? Definitely length, na? So which is small, we have to assume. So let's assume here breadth be B. ओके सो बी अगर ब्रेड्थ है तो लेंथ कितनी होगी वो 4 मीटर से कम है लेकिन किससे 3 टाइम्स ऑफ ब्रेड सो 3 टाइम्स ऑफ ब्रेड मीन्स 3 into b that is 3b and not 3b it is 4 meter less also so length is equal to l is equal to 3b minus 4 get it understand so in this exercise we have started to make the equation with the help of these given statements, right? So let's once again revise any one of this one. So let's see the E example also. Okay, I will read first. A bus travels at V kilometer per hour. It is going to Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. So V is the speed of the bus. Okay, so it travels 5 hours means in 1 hour it completed the kilometer V, right? So in 5 hours how much bus travels? It is 5 into V, right? Na? Does the bus reach after 5 hours? No, still 20 meters remains. So the total distance from Daspur to Bispur is equal to 5V plus 20. Get it? Fine. So let's see the next example also. Okay, we will see the seconds 2 examples and thirds 2 examples. Fine. So change the following statements using the expression into statements in ordinary language. Okay. Let's see. A notebook costs rupees P and book costs 3 rupees. So we have to convert into ordinary language. That means the cost of book is 3 times of notebook. Get it? Okay, let's see the C. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n. That means the number of students in school is 20 times of our class. Get it? Now next question third C. Okay, see the B question. Given Sarah's age today to be Y years. So today's her age is Y years. Think about her age in the future or in the past. What will the expression indicates? Now see Y plus 7. So what will be the age after or in future or in past? Definitely in future na. So Y plus 7 is the age of Sarah after 7 years, right na? Then means after 7 years she will Y plus 7 and Y minus 3. So it is in the past. Okay, so today is her age is Y. So her age before 3 years it is Y minus 3. Get it? Fine. So now we will see the concept of equation. So we have already studied about it. So once again just recall it. See here, so we have in the starting in algebra chapter, we have see how the girls form the L and the number of mastics required for L. We have see the relation between them, that the number of L is equal to 2 into N, that is the number of mastics. Okay, if we say 6L we have to form, so how many mastics will require? 6 into 2, that is 12. Get it? Fine. So let's see the next. That is here it is the condition satisfy or not. If we have taken here n is equal to 2, okay, so 2, then it is the mastics required is 4, and if we take n is equal to 5, then how much mastics required? 10. That means if only n is f, then the equation satisfied 2n is equal to 10. So let's see this example. Okay, this is an equation in the variable x. We shall prepare the table of value x minus 3 for various value of x. So these are the various value. It is not confirmed which value satisfy the equation. So we have to put each and every value in it and see whether it satisfy our equation or not. So how can? Because this is our equation. So x minus 3 is equal to 11. So if we take such a value, that we get equation satisfied. When equation is satisfied? When LHS and RHS is equal. So let's start. So first we will take 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 and 11 is equal? No. Next take 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 and 11 is equal? No. Then take 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 11. Is it true? 5 minus 3 is 2, na? 2 and 11 are equal? No. Yes. If we take here 14. Okay, let's see 14. 14 minus 3. What will get here? 11. That means it satisfies equation. When will it satisfy equation? When we take the value of x is 14. Understand? So what we can say here, any equation like above is a condition on variable. It is satisfied only for definite value. That means for each value the equation is not satisfied. It should have definite value, then equation is satisfied. Get it? So once again it is repeated that equation has equal sign. So what is meant by equal sign? Equal sign means left hand side and right hand side both should be equal. Get it? Now see here, let us do exercise. State which of the following are equation with variables, and in each case equation with variable identify the variable. So these are some equations are given. Okay, and you have to find is there any variable, and yes, if it's there, which is that. Okay, so let's start. X plus 20 is equal to 70. So which is the variable here? X. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. Is there any variable? No, it is a numerical expression. What is numerical expression? If on the right side and left side, that means on both sides there is only numbers and there is no variable, so it is called numerical expression. Get it? Fine. So 2p is greater than 30. Is it? No, it is already not equation because equal sign is there. No, so it is not equation. N minus 4 is equal to 100. So yes, n is the variable here. Then let's see the next. Same here. If we see, just 1 second. Okay. 2l plus 3 is equal to 7. So which is variable here? L. T upon 5 is equal to 4. Which is variable here? T. Get it? Now let's see what is the solution, or how can we find solution of equation and what is the solution means. Get it? So see here. The value of variables in a equation which satisfy the equation is called the solution of equation. Solution of equation किसे कहते हैं?